going on, everybody? Next Gen Aviation. This is the final plane in that unboxing series. We have the United 787-8, the Dreamliner by NG Models. This one is registration November 26902. Super excited for this one, guys. The box, first of all, just looks fantastic. So I'll just appreciate the box. NG Models. So let's see how NG did. Again, I got that other United 737 MAX 9, and looking to expand the legacy carriers here at EPI. So this already looks pretty insane, I can't lie, looking through the plastic. So go ahead and take this off. I've never gotten a wide body from NG, so this will be interesting. But I can already say I'm pretty pleased with what I'm seeing. Wow, this looks pretty crazy. Oh, wow. Yeah. NG, whew, they did this one out of the park. Wow. This is insane. Let's get a better shot on the plane there. This looks crazy. Just love the Dreamliner. Just such a sleek, just modern airplane. Just cannot beat it. For a twin engine wide body, look at the Dreamliner logo. That's awesome. The new United colors too are just a chef's kiss. Sorry, I'm literally glazing this plane right now, but wow, I mean, it's really, this is a really nice model. I mean, you get what you pay for, I think. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. Got the engines, got the Wi-Fi dome, which is actually not white. It's like kind of a gray. You can see that. Sorry for the excess noise as well. You got the bottom. Look at the wings. Beautiful, beautiful wings. Alright guys, that's going to do this little unboxing video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one.